Hello everyone. In last class, we already studied about some rules of IUPAC nomenclature. Today, we are going to learn some another rule. In last class, we already studied about the fourth rule. What is fourth rule? If in a hydrocarbon chain or in a hydrocarbon any substitute group is present, then numbering is must for a nomenclature. Numbering is a must for a nomenclature. So suppose that we have CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. It's the longest hydrocarbon chain. Next, suppose that in this compound, this hydrogen atom replaced by methyl group CH3. We know CH3 is methyl. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, CH8, CH3 will form. CH3 is a substitute group because CH3 replaces the hydrogen. एक स्पेशल इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है बेटा, हमेशा याद रखना. In a organic compound, renewal group and a attached group, both renewal and attached group have always the same valency. Hydrogen have one valency, CH3 have also one valency is left. So CH3 is a substitute group. Now, according to IUPAC rule, choose the parental hydrocarbon chain, and parental chain is a longest chain. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So longest chain. Has to complete one. Now give the number of hydrocarbon chain. Important rule. Give the number of hydrocarbon chain, but number starting left side or right side. Left side or right side. Then important है, ध्यान से सुनना. If in a hydrocarbon chain substitute group is present, then number always given from a minimum number of substitute group. Which side? For example, मैं लेफ्ट साइड से नंबरिंग करता हूं. मैं से substitute group है 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Substitute group is presented on a fourth number carbon. And in another example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 carbon. But in this condition, in second condition, substitute group presenting second number carbon. In this condition, substitute group present on 4 number carbon. So according IUPAC rule, substitute group have always give the minimum number, not maximum. Give the minimum number for a substitute group. We know, according this example, substitute present on second number carbon, and in this condition, substitute group present on fourth number carbon. It means it's a wrong method and it's a right method. Next rule, substitute group have always a minimum number. Next rule. If in a hydrocarbon chain more than one substitute group are present in a hydrocarbon chain, more than one substitute group are present, then present and both side have same number for it, then numbering give for it both साइड दे। इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है बेटा, एग्जांपल से पूरा समझ में आएगा। We have an example for IPC nomenclature. Choose the longest chain or longest chain. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 and 5 all are same. Men say first working, choose the longest chain. Now in this example, more than one substitute group are present, CS3 and CS3. Now give the number for chain. From left side 1 2 3 4. Second and fourth number carbon have two substitute group with methyl are present. From right side 1 2 3 4 5 2 and 4. Both are present on same position. CS3 from left side second, right side CS3 second. It means numbering give from both sides 1 2 3 4 and 5 or 1 2 3 4 and 5. Both are same, maybe right or left. It's important to clarify. If in a hydrocarbon chain more than one, और मैं यहाँ लिख दूँ more than one or two substitute present, two substitute group are present and both sides have same number for it, then number give for a both side. ओके बेटा, इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है, इससे आगे वाला रूल हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में। ओके।